Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Ciox Health account. So what is Ciox Health? Ciox Health is a healthcare technology company that specializes in managing and securely exchanging health information. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Ciox Health account. You can do this by typing Ciox Health login. Now scroll down and click on https://securemailcioxhealth.com. After that, you will be directed to sign-in page of Ciox Health. Make sure you already have an account to Ciox Health. Enter your email address and your password, then click on sign in. If you do not remember your password, click on forgot your password to recover it. If you are a new user to Ciox Health, click on register. If you need any help during sign-in, you can click on help, or you can also email to Ciox Health. Click here and email to Ciox Health. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log in to Ciox Health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tips and tutorials.